Pintu hidayah Allah senantiasa terbuka bagi siapa saja, seringkali datang melalui jalan dan perantara yang tak pernah terlintas dalam benak kita. Seperti kisah Nurai Istiqbal, masa lalunya sebagai pelaku peran dalam industri film porno Jepang menjadi lembaran lama untuk materi dakwah bahwa Allah Azza wa Jalla membuka jalan untuk hijrah dan menjadikan Nurai sebagai muslimah. Saat ini Nurai Istiqbal kerap syiar di berbagai negara untuk menceritakan hikmah yang dia dapatkan setelah hijrah. Bagaimana kisah perjalanan spiritual pemilik nama populer Ray Lil Black ini dalam pencarian Islam? Simak selengkapnya dalam Sah Selalu Ada Hikmah bersama Coach Dennis Lim.
Sah Selalu Ada Hikmah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah kita ngaji bareng lagi ini di acara penuh hikmah kesayangan kita. Kali ini bintang tamunya luar biasa. Seorang wanita yang berasal dari Jepang. Belum lama ini viral karena masa lalunya di dunia, mohon maaf, film dewasa, sampai akhirnya sekarang jadi mualaf. Ini jadi inisiator ya, inspirasi bagi nggak peduli siapapun yang masa lalunya seperti apapun, tapi kalau sudah mengejar Allah, ya inilah hasilnya, dapat cahaya Islam dan dapat kebaikan-kebaikan. Kita langsung tanya beliau ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Nurai.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How are you?
Good, thank you so much.
Alhamdulillah, thank you for coming here.
Thank you so much.
We want to listen about your story. I hope we can give inspiration to many people. Right?
Inshallah.
So Nurai, bismillah. Usually people think about mu'alaf, it's like crying every night in salat tahajud, regretting, oh, I'm sorry for my sin and everything. Is that also happen to you?
And when I became Muslim, not every day, but I cried a lot on the mat. But before I became Muslim, I studied also a lot. So it was a long process.
But now you already stopped the old industry, like the movies.
Yes, correct.
It is because of Islam, or before you know Islam, you also stop already?
I was already thinking about retiring for almost 3 years. So Islam was one of the opportunity that I decided to stop, but I was already thinking about quitting.
About quitting. So from today, how many years already you stopped the movie industry?
1 year.
Already 1 year. Oh, mashallah. And then, did you study another religion also, like maybe Christian or Buddhism, or maybe in Japan you have Shinto, right?
Shinto. So my parents are Buddhist,
Okay.
and then I went to Buddhist school for 3 years, and I went to Christian school for 10 years.
10
So
years,
I did
mashallah.
10 years of Bible study.
And also heard you're from Osaka, right? University, and then go to Netherlands.
Yes, correct.
Why? Why you go to Netherlands? Maybe from school also, or maybe your friend invited?
I just wanted to explore my possibility because I am very adventurous person, and I was like, okay, I want to move somewhere, and I just went to Europe.
Maybe because you don't. I heard you don't like winter, right?
No.
So that's why you choose Bangkok because
Yes.
very hot in there. But why Bangkok? Because if someone go into the mualaf, he will go to maybe the Islamic country, but you go to Bangkok
Because I moved to Bangkok already 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
Yeah,
okay.
so I moved to Bangkok before I became Muslim.
Before you become Muslim, so you take Shahada in Bangkok also.
Yes.
Bangkok also. And do you have some teacher in there to everyday teach you about Al-Quran, about the Hadith?
Now I have a teacher from Cinta Quran Foundation,
Oh, mashallah.
and also a teacher who translated this Quran, Sugimoto Sensei. He
Sugimoto,
also gave me a lecture too.
This Sugimoto Sensei, right?
Yes, he
Mashallah.
translated this book, and I
Easy
am learning.
translation,
Yes.
right? Mashallah. How many times you already read the full book?
3 times.
3 times. Mashallah. Do you have the time every day? You have the time to read the book? Maybe every day I need 1 hour to read the Quran like that.
Now I have you have application
Application,
So in the
okay.
night, application send me, okay, today read this
Okay.
read this surah, and then
Masya Allah.
every day I try to read what they recommend.
What's your favorite surah then?
I have
favorite
a lot,
ayah?
as you can see.
Oh yeah.
But this trip I introduced Arlat,
Allah, yeah.
13, 11.
11.
So
It's about, oh, I know.
yes,
About if you want to move yourself, if you want to change yourself,
Yes.
you need to change
Allah.
yourself first.
yes,
Because if not, then Allah will not change about
yes.
you. Oh, Masya
So
Allah.
that gives me hope that if I want to change, Allah will help me.
Masya Allah. Who was the first person to convince you that you deserve to change? You need to stop this about your past.
Nobody
Maybe-
convinced me.
Nobody?
Allah.
Oh my God,
He
that's
guided
called
me.
Hidayah, Masya Allah. Masya Allah. But you know the adult movie industry in Netherlands
Yes,
or maybe in Japan? No.
not Japan.
So all the movie it's recorded in Europe in Netherlands.
Yes.
Oh, after you leave the Netherlands, it stopped already.
I came to Bangkok and I went to work one time, but not more than that.
Masya Allah. Then what is your daily activity in Thailand?
Thailand, Muay Thai.
Muay Thai every day.
Maybe 3 times, 4 times a week. And in the morning, I wake up, of course, I pray and then go to running. Maybe
Jogging.
around, yeah, jogging from 6 o'clock or something, almost 1 hour.
How long you in the adult movie industry? About how many years?
I think this is the 7th year.
7 years. How many movie?
Not a lot, actually.
Masya Allah. Then, is it really give you a very big money, for women?
Depends, because when
Depends.
I started, not a lot. But that the money I agreed on. So
At the first place, you go into that industry for money only, or maybe another reason?
I wasn't thinking anything. I was stupid. I
try everything.
Yeah, I just wanted to do whatever I can do.
But like you said, if you don't go to that industry, you don't have money to go to Bali, right? To go Malaysia.
Yes.
And if you don't go to Malaysia, to Bangkok, to Thailand, southern Thailand,
Yes.
you will not have opportunity to know about Islam.
Yes.
But in Japan, you know about Islam already, or never heard about that?
Of course, I know about Islam, but I never had opportunity to meet Muslim people.
Masya Allah. Masya Allah. Oke, Risa, ini Masya Allah masih banyak banget pertanyaan yang bisa kita ajuin, hikmahnya banyak banget. Nanti kita akan ambil banyak kesimpulan, tapi untuk itu jangan kemana-mana dulu, kita tetap tanya lagi. Jangan kemana-mana, tetap di Selalu Ada Hikmah. Every single day you get more than 100
Yes.
asking you about you want to be the
Wife
or maybe the second wife.
wife.
Tolonglah orang Indonesia ini ya.